I need to build a site for athletes, coaches, and volunteers participating in Adventure Work Cycle's Community Race Series to register for upcoming events. Normally, I'd start here in Power Pages Studio, but this time, I'm going to use the new agentic AI coding tools for Power Pages. With the Power Pages plugin installed, the agent can translate high-level requests into concrete build actions. As it executes, it automatically invokes the right Power Pages skills for each task. I'll start by describing the site I want to create. The agent listens, gathers all the essential details, and then generates a detailed step-by-step implementation plan. Before moving forward, the agent pauses to request approval. I review the plan, make any needed adjustments, and then give the go-ahead to begin building. The agent invokes the Create Site skill to scaffold the site, a React single-page app with routing, a design system, and 8 pages built from the ground up. As each page is created, it appears in the local preview. I can see layout, flow, and accessibility in real time before anything is published. That alone is a huge time saver. I spot a styling issue on the volunteer registration page. The agent diagnoses the root cause, CSS scoped inside a single component, and moves the shared styles so they apply site-wide. Just like that. Once the structure looks right, I move to the next layer, data. I ask the agent to create the Dataverse schema based on the site's pages and forms. Using the Setup Data model skill, it reads the source code, analyzes the data flows, and proposes a schema with an entity relationship diagram for review. After I approve the design, the agent creates 7 tables via the Dataverse API, with the right relationships aligned to how programs operate across regions. All of that from a single conversation. The tables are now visible in Power Pages Studio. I click into Contact Submission and confirm sample data has been populated using the Add Sample Data skill. 5 records per table, enough to validate the full journey. Now, to lock down access, I ask the agent to create web roles for the site using the Create Web Role skill. It discovers the existing roles, then asks which new ones to add. I select writer, volunteer, coach, and event organizer. The agent generates the role files. Then, it confirms that I'm ready to deploy the web roles for the site. After I approve, it pushes them using the Deploy Site skill. The roles are now visible in Power Pages Studio, ready to be assigned table permissions. The whole workflow, roles created, reviewed, and deployed in minutes. The agent chains directly into the Setup Auth skill for authentication. It checks prerequisites, framework, deployment status, existing roles, and asks which auth features I need. I choose login, logout, and role-based access. The agent generates the auth service, hooks, UI components, and navbar integration. No manual wiring required. Using the Integrate Web API skill, the agent services the Web API endpoints needed to wire registrations forms to Dataverse. Writer registrations, volunteer registrations, contact submissions, and event registrations. A final build using the Deploy Site skill and the site is deployed. The site compiles, uploads to Power Pages, and activates. It's live and ready for testing. Let's take a look. Here in Power Pages, I can see the site, and I'm going to preview it in the desktop mode. In minutes, I've been able to create a site with 8 pages and the proper tables in Dataverse fully connected with relationships, web roles for access control, and table permissions configured so volunteers, coaches, and staff each see the right data in Dataverse. Previously, this would have taken my team weeks to put together. The result is simple. Volunteers move faster, staff spends less time on manual follow-up, and more energy stays focused on supporting community race participation.